How to cancel a buy online pickup in store order in Lululemon. Hi everybody. If you want to cancel a buy online pickup in store order from Lululemon, here's what you can do so you may follow out this method. First of all, we can cancel it through our Lululemon account itself. For that, we can sign in into our Lululemon account and go to the purchase history. Look out for the profile option in the top right and select the purchase history option from the menu that pops up and open up the purchase history page. And there we can find the option for buy online, pick up in store order. You can find that option, and once you find that option, if that option is available, you can click on the option called cancel order and then confirm it up. And if your order is already being prepared, you can call the Lululemon store where you selected the pickup and you can ask them to cancel the order before you pick up. If you cannot cancel online, if the order has already been shipped, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and after a certain time, the store will cancel the order automatically and refund you. You do not need to do anything. And once the order is canceled, the refund will usually go back to the original payment method within a few business days. And you can try canceling as soon as possible because once the store prepares the order, the online cancellation option may disappear. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You can look out for those in Lululemon store website directly for all the information. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.